Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Windows Sound Control panel and selecting the exact playback device you use. Once selected, click Properties so you can change device behavior. This is where Loudness Equalization lives. Make sure the device is the default and confirm the sample rate is 44,100 Hz or 48,000 Hz under Advanced, because inconsistent rates can bypass enhancements. Once done, move to the Enhancements tab to enable processing. Don't skip this step. It's the first actionable change that affects output immediately. Now enable the actual loudness equalization setting in Enhancements. Check Loudness Equalization and apply the change. If you don't see an Enhancements tab, that usually means the generic driver lacks features. Open Device Manager and update the audio driver, or use the Realtek/Connexent control panel to access equivalent options. Once enabled, adjust overall Windows volume and play a track at low and high levels to confirm quieter passages are boosted without clipping. Make sure to restart your media app after toggling the setting. Finish by confirming the default format under Advanced and testing in several apps to ensure consistent behavior. Different apps can bypass enhancements, so make sure they are restarted. Use the volume mixer to balance background apps versus your player, and keep drivers current to retain the Enhancements tab. If equalization causes distortion or disappears, reinstall the manufacturer audio driver or run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. This resolves missing tabs and conflicts. One last tip: try toggling exclusive mode off if an app takes exclusive control and disables enhancements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.